Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox an award for being very brave on my blood test today. So this is the Philips All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000. I hope this is better than my Philips Multi-Groom Series 3000. And then we're going to compare. Let's unbox it. Hold on. Okay, so looks like I got everything out of the box. So this is the unit itself. Here it is, and I'm gonna switch it on. This is the charging cable, and a power adapter is not included. This is a nose and ear trimmer. It's an attachment for the trimmer right here. And here are the guards, the kit, and the blade brush. Okay, so now I'm going to compare the All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000 to the Multi-Groom Series 3000. Here they are in size comparison. The Multi-Groom Series 3000 is a little bit smaller, but this one is larger. This one has 2 attachments. This one has only 1. On the box, it says it has self-sharpening blades, 6 length settings, and a 60-minute runtime. And the blade is skin friendly. And now let's compare this trimmer to the Wahl Cold Trim Groomsman. I'm gonna have to say the Wahl is bigger in size than the Philips. It has more guards and more attachments than the Philips. This one has 1, and this one has about 3. Overall, I think the Wahl is better than this, but I'd still recommend this. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.